Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Today we are going to teach you how to fix fonts that are blurry and not clear in Windows 10. So let's get started. First method, go to Start menu and then select Settings or the gear icon. On the Settings page, type in Clear Type on the search bar. And then select on this one, Adjust Clear Type Text. A new window will open. Make sure to check the box that says Turn on Clear Type. Then click Next. Select the best text sample that looks best for you. Then select again and then click Next. Select again and then click Next. Click Next. Click on Finish. Then close the window. Another method to fix blurry and not clear fonts is to go to search bar and type in Regedit. So this is the best result. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Next, double-click on H key current user to expand. Then double-click Control Panel to expand. Next, find and click on Desktop. On this side, find and double-click on Win8 DPI scaling. Here it is. A new window will open. Change the value data to 1. And then select the OK button. On the Registry Editor window, right-click on a blank area and click New. Then click on DWord, 32-bit value. Then type log pixels. Make sure that the letters L and P are in uppercase. Then open log pixels. A new window will open. Change value data to 78. Then click the OK button. Next, close the Registry Editor. Next, restart your PC. That should fix the problem. Another method is to type in Advanced System Settings on the search bar. So this is the best result. Click on it. Next, under the Advanced tab, click on Setting. A new window will open. Select Adjust for best appearance. Next, click Apply, and then the OK button. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.